Hello and welcome to Sal Sells It. I'm going to show you how this is working. This is the Banshee robot from Avatar. So I put, it's brand new. You can see the tags are still on it. And what I'm going to do is turn it on. So you take this piece off here and there's an on-off switch here. So you're just going to turn it on and you can put this piece back. And we're going to play with it. You can see it working. And these are the ones that control it and move it and play with it. And there you go. And that's the Banshee robot working. All right, thanks a lot for watching Sal Sells It.